Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Want to start a website on WordPress but don't know how to install WordPress? Then this video is for you. Today, we're going to show you how to install WordPress using Softaculous, one of the easiest and fastest ways to get your website up and running. So, buckle up. First, log into your hosting account cPanel. You should receive login details from your hosting provider. Once you're in, locate the Softaculous Apps Installer icon. It's usually under the Software section. Click on Softaculous Apps Installer, and you'll see a dashboard with a variety of scripts and applications. Scroll down or use the search bar to find WordPress. Once you see it, click on the WordPress icon. Now, click on the Install Now button to start the installation process. Here, you'll need to configure some basic settings. Select the domain where you want WordPress installed. Choose the version you want to install from drop-down option. In Directory section, leave this blank if you want WordPress on your main domain. Enter a folder name if you want it in a subdirectory. Fill up the installation form manually if you want, or else click on Quick Install to fill up the form automatically. Directly scroll down. If you want to do manually, enter your website's name and a brief description. Create a strong username and password for your admin account. Enter your email address for admin notifications. Make sure to review all settings before proceeding. Once everything is set, click the Install button. Softaculous will now handle the installation process. All you need to do is wait a few moments. Congratulations! Your WordPress site is now installed. You'll see a success message with your admin URL, login URL, and admin credentials. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave your questions in the comments below.